Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. And yeah, the other day I used my Pancake Compressor here, this unit. As you can see, this is a Pancake Compressor. So I used this unit the other day, and now after filling the tires, using it, it's leaking. There's a leak somewhere, even when I have this shut off so that it doesn't let the air out when you're done with it, draining the air out of it. Yeah, there's a problem with this unit. I'm gonna have to try to take this apart. It'll be fun taking this apart. Guess basically it'll be trial and error. Figure out what kind of screws I got here holding this. Get this top off. Gotta see what's going on with this thing. I'm gonna plug this in. There's gonna be a bit of noise. Noise. Fire up. Sorry about the noise. It is noisy. It's a pancake compressor. They're noisy. That's one thing with a pancake compressor. Very, very noisy. They're loud. Tiny, but they make a lot of noise. Lots of noise. Sorry about the noise. Doing this so you can hear that it's leaking. I'm going to have to see if I can take this apart. I got to take this unit apart here, this cover. Take the cover off. See if I can figure out where it's leaking. I apologize for the noise. Thank you for your patience. There's a leak somewhere in this thing. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that leak. There is a leak. I can hear the leak. Falling off like that. take this cover off. We're gonna have to see it's a slight leak, but it's not good. I don't want it leaking because then the pressure's falling off. Let's see if I can find some tools here to take this apart. Sorry about the shaky camera work. That's what happens when you're a one-man show. You probably can't hear the slight leak. There is a leak. As I say, forgive me for the shaky camera work. Find where this leak is at. Where it's at, but I can hear it. It's very minute, but find it. So I've already lost 5 pounds of pressure. Anyways, I'm gonna have to grab some tools, and I'm gonna have to take this shroud off here, this cover, and I'm gonna have to get in here and see what's going on. I gotta dig into it, see what's going on. And then I'll make there's gonna be a second part to this video, obviously, because I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on here. Alright, so for now I'm gonna sign off. I gotta grab some tools, and then we're gonna start I'll start another video on this as I'm taking it apart. Alright, thank you for your time, thank you for your patience. Sorry about the shaky camera work. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off. I'll be back shortly. I gotta grab some tools, and then we'll see what we can do with this.